A fighter jet performing at an air show near Willow Run Airport crashed on Sunday, just seconds after two pilots ejected from the aircraft. Thunder over Michigan was taking place Sunday at the airport, featuring several aircraft, including the MiG-23 aircraft, performing various maneuvers in the air. A spokesperson for the event told Local 4 the MiG-23 aircraft crashed into the parking lot at the Waverly on the Lake Apartments in Belleville. The pilots in the jet safely ejected and were recovered. They were transported to a local hospital and are expected to be okay.